Welcome back to Semicode Center after a long time. This is my Samsung Galaxy S3 phone. You can see the power button is broken. Without power button I can lock my phone, and today I gonna show you how I manage it without a power button or a lock button. Go to Play Store and type lock button, and you will find a number of lock button app, and don't go for the higher size lock button app, just go for the low one, the KB one. And this is the app that I am using ever since my phone lock button is broken, and just install it. I know you know the process how to install it, but still I'm showing you. It will take a few seconds. After that you have to open the app and you will see a window like this. In here you have to activate, and okay, it is activated, and I will show you how it works. Okay, back. You have to simply press on the icon. Here we go, the phone is locked. I will suggest you to keep a shortcut on home screen so you can easily use the lock button. These are the buttons that I have bought from online. Let me take it. So this is the volume up and down button. This is the power button. You have to put the button in a right way, otherwise the button can get stuck on it. So make sure that you put like this, the big size on upwards and the smaller size should be downwards. Just keep it on the hole and just press it, and it's done. It's working. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the video.